So, good morning, guys. It's a very good morning because my 3070 just arrived today. So, I wasn't even in a hurry to upgrade, but I am very fortunate to get this instantly the moment I decided to buy it. So, I would like to thank iOS Computer PH for providing me this card. So, I got it for like $100 less than the market price. So, that is very very good. So I mean not the market price, I mean the jack app price. So anyways, this is the ZOTAC Gaming Twin Edge Overclock Edition. So it's a 8 GB GDDR6. So as you can see, it's the Ice Storm 2.0. I'm not really sure what that is right now because this is my first ZOTAC uh, video card and also my first Nvidia card for my desktop. Oh, because I am using Nvidia for my um uh laptop. So anyways, um I came from AMD. I'm using the, as you can see there, the 5700 XT. So this is my old card. So um I decided to upgrade it, although it's not yet necessary, but because my 5700 XT is failing me on my desktop publishing work, my 3D, and some of my graphics. So some of my graphics work. So whenever I use Photoshop or any software, sometimes it causes blue screen. So you know, sometimes I don't save my work and all the progress gone. So yeah, I'm not saying Nvidia doesn't have an issue, but maybe from my experience, it has less black screen. So yeah, the 5700 XT is a beast on 1080p and also on some games at 1440p. So it's still a very good card. It's a very good deal for its price. So the Zotac Gaming is also an 8 gig GDDR6, but it has twice the power of 5700 XT according to the benchmark. So anyways, I've seen a lot of reviews about this card, and the 3070 can run Cyberpunk on almost 90 FPS on ultra settings with the 1440p and DLSS on. So we're about to test that if it's true. So yeah, I'm going to install it on my PC today. So after we unbox it now. Okay, so now we're going to unbox it. So bear with me with the camera setup because I don't have the best studio in the house. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so there's the box. It's a very minimalistic box right there. So we have the ZOTAC logo right there. So now we're going to open it. Here we go. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so we have the ZOTAC marketing material. So Get Amplified. So Get Amplified is the all new ZOTAC gaming GeForce graphics cards based on Nvidia Ampere. So there. Okay, let's see what's inside. I can really smell the premium. Okay, here we go. So there's the ZOTAC Get Amplified. So we have the, yeah, there. We have the Dare to Dream, Dare to Challenge. So I'll check on it later. So we have the cases right there, the Mech Gaming PC series. So we have the ZOTAC um, sticker. So I like how this looks. It will fit my black um, color scheme. So we have the quick installation guide. So reminders. Make sure you have the latest drivers installed. Yes, sir. So we're going to put that aside. now we have the card. Okay. Wow, there we go. So that's pretty small. So the moment I saw this card, I was like, "Is this this really a 3070?" Because I've seen a lot of cards of 3070 which are very huge. So they're almost the size of 3080. So yeah, here we go. Oops, but it's kind of heavy though. So yeah, there we go. So it's a bit smaller in length, but it has bigger width, and maybe the fans can compensate for the lack of spreader that was taken off. So yeah, it has pretty huge fans compared to my 5700 XT. So yeah, you have the backplate right there, the black backplate. It's very good. It looks good. I mean, if you look at it on the internet, it seems like it's kind of cheap, but personally, I think it's very good. So I like the plastic cover right here. So the design is not really that boring. I mean, there's a texture right here. If you can see it, it's a smooth texture right here, and it's a bit rough down here. So you have the ZOTAC. Oh, sorry. ZOTAC gaming logo right there. So it's a non RGB card. So it's just a white LED inside this plastic right here. So we have the GeForce RTX. So the only concern that I have for this card is that the the power connectors right here are a bit pushed inwards, or maybe because it was a bit wider than the usual card, so it's a bit it has an offset from the it has a big offset from the usual card. So yeah, basically that's it. So for the back portion, so we have the three display port and one HDMI port. So the only thing I want for the I miss for I mean the only thing that I want for this card is that some brands have 5 slots. So they have two HDMIs and three. Oops, sorry for that. Um, two HDMI and three display ports. So yeah, I think this will be enough because I'm planning to get another monitor. So maybe yeah, I have a total of four um, monitors now. So the other one is the tablet. So yeah, basically that's it. And also it comes with connectors, which I'm not going to use because I have a full modular um, ESU. So I guess nothing is there anymore. Yeah, there's no more uh, freebies inside the box. So that's it for today, guys. So that's the unboxing of the ZOTAC 3070 Twin Edge OC. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and for the next video I will just upload the benchmarks and maybe issues that I will encounter. So maybe that will take a day or two after I run some tests on the RTX 3070. So yeah, I'm very excited to play Cyberpunk on this card because my 5700 XT doesn't really cut to that FPS sweet spot on my 1440p monitor. So yeah, hopefully that wraps it up. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.